I've got some leftover mashed potatoes and I want to take them up a notch. So sometimes, you know, you get tired of just regular old mashed potatoes. So I've got quite a bit here, and I'm going to put it over in a bowl. And what I am going to make is I call them loaded mashed potatoes. Just put them over in a bowl. And I'm going to add the real bacon bits. You know, there's the imitation and there's the real, and you want the real ones for this. You could even, you know, if you've really got the time and stuff, you could even fix some bacon and put in it. But I am going to, let's see, let me measure here to see just how much I'm going to use. I'm just an eyeballer, so, but I'm going to try to measure to help you all out. Okay, it's about a half a cup. And I've got some dried chives, and I'm going to add some of them. I'm just going to, probably about a tablespoon of them. And sour cream. Sour cream will make them real creamy. I'm going to add probably right around about a cup. If you like if you go to Wendy's or a steakhouse and you get a baked potato and you have it loaded, if you like it loaded, you will love these mashed potatoes. I've got right around a cup, a little more, a little less, of sour cream. Okay, now you're going to use shredded cheese. And you can put as much cheese in it as you like. It's just according, you know, some people don't like a whole lot of cheese and some likes a lot. I'm going to start out with about a cup. Just mix that all together. Let me see if you can see. Fix it to where you can see similar to what it looks like. It makes it a little harder when I'm sort of winging it on my own for you to be able to see everything as I put it together. For these, if you've got some in the refrigerator and you're going to be making them a little later, if you can set them out about an hour before you're planning on making these, it will make the potatoes warmer and then it'd be a little bit easier to stir. These are cold, so I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. So I had added a cup, so I'm going to add at least about a half of a cup more. Preheat your oven at 350. And it'll take right around about 25 minutes. That way it'll give your cheese and real good time to melt on the inside of it. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And just add to your liking on salt and pepper. Everybody's taste is different. Just mix that up real good. These are real good for to take to dinners. If you've made mashed potatoes a day or two before or something and you've got extra and put them in the refrigerator and somebody calls you up and says, well, we're having a little dinner or something, you can grab them out and throw them together real quick. Okay, I've got a glass dish. You just want to get your spray and spray it good. And I'm using a butter spray. I use that most majority of the time. Just put it out in your dish and spread it out good. And then we'll make it a little bit pretty on top. Just spread it out evenly. Okay, now I'm going to add a little extra cheese on the top. This is just something that's a little bit different to do with your leftover mashed potatoes. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the real bacon bits on top. And a few more chives. Now we're going to put that in the oven on 350 and bake it for about 25 minutes. And we'll show you what it looks like when we get it done. Welcome back, everybody. Our loaded mashed potatoes is done, and I'm getting ready to get them out of the oven. Don't them look amazing? Let me bring the camera up so you can see just a little bit closer. They are so good. Let me get out some in a bowl and you can see what they look like. There they are. They are so good. They're too hot right now for me to take a bite because they're probably shorebird in my mouth. But I thank you all, and I hope you all enjoy it. And give me back some comments on how you like any of the things that you have fixed that I have made and had videos on. But I thank you, and remember to like and to share.